Okay, first impression. Well, it's quiet. Certainly can't hear that rumble that you normally get from the knobbly tyres. Hell of a lot smoother. Doesn't feel twitchy at all. Feels quite stable. I can't say I've noticed any increase in speed. Because they should roll better, but I think there's a slight weight difference which probably equals it out, so could do with finding just a bit of a dirt track to see how it handles, see if it's not too slippy. Alright, we've got a bit of a farm track here. I don't know whether I'm supposed to go down here, probably not, but we'll just check out how it handles this. Deeper water here. Yeah, there's a bit of slippiness there. I don't want to fall off into this water. It's quite... If it wasn't for the water, I'd try it more, but... Yeah. Don't know about that. It's not an issue going through the water at all. Just that I don't want to slip. I don't want to slip and end up flat on my back in them puddles. Let's see if I can find a better place. Well, these are wet roads. Yeah, it seems to be safe enough on these. It felt secure on the wet roads, but it's nice for it to be quiet. No tyre noise. Now, I didn't have a tyre gauge when I put these on. Well, I have, but it doesn't work very well. So I had to guess the pressure. I have a feeling the front is definitely a little bit hard, which won't help when I'm climbing things like this. It's no problem getting up here. I mean, this is more than normal road, isn't it? It's the sort of thing I go on, so let's see how it holds. But I haven't seen any problems. Better not go in the churchyard, had I really, in the graveyard. Well, that seems okay. Like I say, that's probably more like what I ride on. And there's no issues there. Let's do it again. Yeah, that's fine, that is. Not feeling any sliding. Feels secure enough. Like I say, that last lane was a bit extreme for me, that was. Right, here we go again. Puddle infested lane. See how we get on. Ooh, I'm not liking the look of this. Oh, it got through okay. Just take your time. I don't know if the knobblies would have been much different, to be honest. I think it's a psychological thing, knowing I haven't got that little bit of extra off-road grip. Now I have no idea where this lane goes. But yeah, the tyres are doing okay. They're doing the job I need it for anyway. And this is a lot more wetter than I would normally take it. Just a bit of slip in there. Just take your time, it's okay. I wouldn't normally come down a wet track like this, but I'm just doing it today to test these tyres out. So pushing them over the limit of what I would normally use them for anyway. Have to clean this bike again after all this. Wonder where it comes out this. These puddles are getting deep. I've come too far now to go back. This looks like a deep one. See me ending up in the ditch here. If there's a farmhouse at the end of this lane, I won't be happy. That means I've got to come all the way back through it. It's not looking good. Well, it didn't lead to anywhere, so now I've got to go all the way back through that through them puddles again. I risked my life yet again. But anyway, at least I got up here, so that's something. Wherever I am. Not sure if this is the deep one. No, this isn't the deep one I came through. Deep enough, mind you. Yeah. You wouldn't want to come off in it. Got a feeling, yeah, this is the deep one. Wish me luck. Let me tilt this camera down so you can see what happens. Yeah. I mean, that that is axle deep, that is. I've never been through anything like that before. Anyway, that's the worst one. So anything else is a breeze. He says. Those famous last words again. You can just feel the back end slip a little bit when you enter this central bit, when you have to mount that. But it's wet, it's very wet. I think any tyre is going to slip somewhat on that. I do think on a dry track there'll be no issue at all. Right then, so there we have it. New tyres tested. Just have to see how they wear now. But yeah, I've tested them to more than what I would use it for. Look at the state of this now. Gonna need a right good clean. Oh, yeah, they are the Sandstorm from Mate Bikes. I'll put a link in the description. By going by the name, they're ideal for going on sand. I don't know. Maybe that's why they're called Sandstorm. But yeah, that was extreme. That was for what I do. But at least I didn't fall off. A few twitchy moments, but hey, it's okay. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.